birthday nun, no? Gusto niya daw kumain ng McDonald's. So, pupunta tayo ng McDonald's. Tayo mag-almusal. Let's go. Ganun, bis ka na doon. Good morning! So, andito na kami ngayon sa McDonald's. Sa request ni Ate Kat na breakfast in McDo. Breakfast at McDo.
Bigyan na yung coffee.
So, yun. Medyo maigpit talaga sila. Kaya, sine-check nila yan.
And then,
So, happy birthday, ate. Anong wish mo pala?
isn't it supposed to be a secret?
Anong wish mo kay ate? Hi. So, pwede na kumain. Mag-dining sa labas. Hindi na bawal.
Pero mag-iimot pa rin. Andyan lang ang computer. So, siguro, kaya nilagyan nila ng mga... Para saan po yung nire-ready mo?
Yes, we know what's inside. Kami bumili niyan eh.
Ay, okay.
So, you have one?
Ah,
One chance.
is one of the babies?
Kailangan. Piliin. Piliin ang magiging tip mo. Yan. Yung hindi mo pipili, tip mo sa takbo.
Hindi ko mag-effect. Ayun.
The front one, the front.
Why, do you know? Huh?
You know,
It says Viva, the front one. I'll take this for me and my candy.
Stop taking it.
Ready?
Yeah, I don't. No, not.
Oh, then you take it.
Now,
We'll see if you're lucky.
follow your guts.
It's $40, $30. Grabe man. Sabi mo gusto mong food lang, di ba? I want to give you worth $30. So much already.
Which one? Which one? Which one?
Wait, it's coffee shop. And it's more expensive than coffee. Okay. I guess. But if it's you, you would take long.
I will you, I feed the bear.
And the red one. And with green one.
With a different bear.
I just go. Just pick one.
Yes, one.
One, I got it.
Choose.
Ay, yan, chinus niya. Probably. Sabi ko sa'yo, you choose the one with ribbon and red color. Change.
Change. Then this one. Ha? Wait.
Are you?
Still have a chance to think so.
No, no.
Are you sure? That's your final answer. Okay.
Wala ko na.
Final answer.
I'm going to regret it because not everything is your favorite.
So, nakapili na siya. At pinindot-pindot niya pa. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano yung kanyang regalo.
It's $59.
Ay, kabuk mo.
$59. No, $50. What is it?
Ay, buksan niyo na.
Oh yeah, come on!
How is that? I wanted to see what's inside so badly. Why is it so heavy?
It's a brick.
It's a brick. Why is it so clean? From outside? The one like that, huh? Bigger, but bigger. Can I not hear it? Huh? No, you need to. So, meron pang link.
Open it!
Totoo ba to? Ewan ko. Is it worth $58? No. I feel like no. I feel...
What's that?
It's a box. A box with nothing inside.
You will never know.
Aray, bakit ang bigat? Bakit ang bigat? Nilagyan mo ba ng mga bato-bato niya? Ang buhaya.
Man, you haven't seen it yet.
Oo, hindi mo ba naintindihan? Baka mamaya, ano, lang yan.
iPhone 12!
Ha?
iPhone 12!
Ano ba yan?
Ano yan? What's that?
iPhone 12!
Not 13?
Baka malaglag ka dyan ah.
2012!
Tingnan mo bakit. Bakit yung iPhone?
Like that for your other phone. You have to write that up on it.
I'm trying not to. I'm so gentle with it. Probably not.
I don't have to
Ito ba? Yung black.
No, no. Only the screen.
Oh, my turn.
What do you think? It's not working. I don't believe it. It's not my phone. It's not my phone.
Boom.
What's under the box?
Okay na. Happy birthday anak.
My turn.
Happy birthday. It's a real
please.
phone.
My turn.
I don't have
It's mine.
Ang lapit niyo, wala to siyang please kasi hindi mo siya binigyan $58.
I just want to My turn. It's my turn.
Okay.
You happy?
This one, are you happy now? I'm very happy. Finally, I got a new phone. My one's so broken. The charger one is so outdated.
Basta mo yung old phone.
Finally, the charger is broken. Yeah. It's all yours.
Ito mo.
Do we have the same charger?
Without the screen, so you can exchange it to the cover.
Hindi na mapag-boot.
Are you getting ready? Mama, I want to go home now.
Now you can have your charger all by yourself. Later pa yun na, at night pa. Say it. Hindi ka rin sa wishing mo. Dapat pabalik ito. Wala ko. Wow.